Hi, Dobie.
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip-Off. Enjoy today's video. Today's report is all about the Toyota Hilux, a sales phenomenon. Since its introduction in 1968, Toyota has sold 18 million of these workhorses to everyone from builders to freedom fighters. You'd think this facelifted, thoroughly modernized 2021 Hilux not to risk messing with such a common recipe. Toyota has been poring over the spreadsheets and figures. Since 2012, pickup truck sales across Europe have doubled, swept along in the flood of appeal for all things 4x4 and SUV-like. But while truck sales have soared, the Toyota's market share has been eaten into by the likes of the Ford Ranger Wildtrack and VW Amarok, trucks aimed at encouraging lifestyle devotees as much as they impress actual sheepherders in the outback of Australia. Toyota's responded to the fashion for people thirsty for high-spec, well-kitted out pickup trucks with powerful freeway-happy engines with this refreshed competitor. There's now the choice of a 2.8-litre engine on the top trim levels, instead of the everyday 2.4-litre. The top specs boast heated leather seats, an automatic gearbox and Toyota's smartphone, informative touchscreen. You'll now find your new Hilux comes with a JBL Hi-Fi and LED lights. Oh whoopee, time for a disco Carl.
Onto the mechanicals. Toyota used to place a ton load in the Hilux's bed, then tune the suspension. That led to a bouncy, changing ride when the truck was unladen. Because most everyday pickup truck drivers never place more than a soft drink in the cabin and a gym bag in the cargo bay, the newest Hilux has been modified to ride best without so much as a toolbox slung in the bed. The Hilux is assumed to have the straightforwardness and long life of Mount Everest, but this tactic isn't necessarily a winner. The Mercedes X-Class has been dropped from UK sale after its take on Nissan Navara foundations failed to convince the pickup truck loyal. Hilux devotees, they'll sniff out a phony in an instant. You might be thinking the Hilux has lost its way, or strengthened its position as an up-to-date motoring icon. In tests, the two top-spec models, the Hilux Invincible and Invincible X, were used to find out if they are worthy of the bestseller or not. The 2021 Hilux is a true-to-form and down-to-earth machine, and its tries to court lifestyle truck buyers have done little to distance its core following while passing off some of its rougher on-road manners. The most welcome improvement is the new 2.8-litre engine, improving the older truck unhurried performance chiefly when fully loaded. The cabin remains unattractive in areas and it's a weighty beast to throw around, but if anything that's an endless reminder, this isn't a vehicle to show off in, it's a faithful workhorse, and a trustworthy business partner.